Are you someone dealing with bad posture and you want to know how to fix it without buying one of those gimmicks off the internet that don't work? Well, I'm Dr. Clayton, and I'm about to give you 3 easy tips on how to fix your posture. The first tip is going to be letting you guys know that holding perfect posture all day long is not possible. So make sure you guys are getting up every hour for 5-10 minutes, walking around and loosening your body up. The second tip is to go over what good posture is. As you're sitting here and you're slouching, I want you to think about sitting tall. It's not chest up, shoulders back, chin up. That's going to actually cause more discomfort in your neck and in between your shoulder blades. So relax your shoulders and think about sitting tall and bring your chin down to a level position. The third tip is actually going to be showing you guys an awesome exercise to reverse all that slouching you've been doing. Before I do that though, make sure you guys subscribe. We're always putting out great content on how to fix all of your aches and pains. Let's go show you that exercise. For this exercise, you're just going to need a blank wall. You're going to sit on the ground. Your butt is going to be all the way up against the wall. Your mid-back and your head are also going to be touching. It's very important that you keep your chin down. I never want your chin to be up. Your chin down is going to allow for a really nice stretch all the way from your mid-back all the way up into your neck. From here, you can hang out here for 15-30 seconds, but if it's not intense enough for you, you can point your thumbs up towards the ceiling and bring your thumbs to the wall behind you. This is really going to intensify that stretch between your mid-back, but very important that, again, you don't let your chin come up into the air when you're trying to touch the wall. So keep your chin down, embrace that stretch. If you want to intensify the stretch even more, you can straighten your legs, but very important that you don't let your butt slip away from the wall. So make sure that your butt, your mid-back, and your head are all staying in contact from here. Legs nice and straight. Touch the wall behind you. Those are the 3 tips that we always give our patients when we're asked about posture. Give them a try. I hope they work for you. If you have any questions, please drop them below. We'll make sure to answer them. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day and keep moving.